acum anexes. Deixa te ele.
Maybe we could run this.
Come aí, Taribe.
All the women that's out here, I think this is the biggest border movement that we've done with so many women. So, big up the women who have planted all these trees along the border line. Big up the women. Right? Thanks for coming. And we look out here and we see the clearing that has taken place 10 years ago. I've been coming here for like 20 years now. I walked from the village of Halakte to here and I didn't have no sun on me. You know why? Because I walked under the trees. Today, all the big trees have disappeared. Belizeans did not benefit from that. Where we're standing right now belongs to Guatemalans. Now, we don't have anything against Guatemalan people. We want to encourage trade. We want to continue building relationship. This is not like a hate movement against Guatemala. What we want is for Guatemala to recognize that we have a border. We want our government to step up and show the Belizean people in the world that we have a border. No Belizean could come and make a pasture anywhere in Belize without them being arrested or taken to court. Yet, what we are looking at, Guatemalans have cleared all this forest and make pastures for themselves. Alright, so the main purpose of this trip, journey this morning is to just let people be aware. As far as your eyes can see, you can see it's nothing but pasture lands. That was great tropical rainforest 10 years ago. Show the rate of deforestation that's taking place. It's just taking place at a rapid rate.
It is so good to be here this morning. For the first time in my experience to come to a border post in our country, I think we need to give lots of big up to Mr. Wilmer here to organize this kind of expedition, so that Belizeans can be aware of our country and our borders, and in fact to develop the spirit of nationalism and patriotism. Our politicians, our leaders, don't seem to have this kind of spirit to be able to want to come. I believe that we should have the government to sponsor expedition every month to come to these parts of the country, to come to other border posts, for us to start to recognize our borders.
Before I joined BRF, when I first come here, it was under the rule of the the British forces. At that time, this place used to be a very high forest. But as soon as when the British forces has left and the full responsibilities has been left in the hands of the Belizean government, and since then the Guatemalans start to pour in. I always wonder how things start to happen. Sometimes I wonder, I believe like my leaders, our leaders then so to speak, are very select.